helicopters, we've reached Central City Station.
Oh!
The plane is ready to land. The wings are open, please stand clear.
Yahoo!
Oh! Whoa!
Welcome to Central City Station. Please gather your belongings and exit the plane. You're free to explore here. There's plenty to enjoy.
I'm starving. Is there any food around?
Oh, you can grab a hot dog just ahead.
Thanks for choosing our service. The plane is ready to depart for the next destination.
How to build a plane with auto-open roof. First, from this battery box, I'll build the aircraft frame. Next, I'll make two landing skids. Then, I'll make the front rotor for this helicopter. Now, let's move on to the doors. I'll use dual door design so the aircraft can open from both sides. Add the gears. The motor. Attach the rear rotor. Next, I'll make the front glass cockpit. To finish the helicopter, I'll prepare a row of passenger seats. Testing. The aircraft has two functions. It can smoothly spin the dual rotors. And the two side doors can also open and close at the same time.
Guys, want to hear some creepy KFC stories?
Sounds good.
Tell us.
Okay, let's begin. 3 drumsticks and 1 fries. Hurry!
Got it! Hold on! Your chicken!
Wow.
Oh! And the fries!
He looks so creepy.
Are you kidding me?
Anything else, sir?
Just leave. Hunt.
I'm not done with you yet, jerk.
Extra spicy wings. Make it quick.
Fine.
First, I need to mix all the ingredients in this mixer.
Raw drumsticks, flour, crispy fried flour,
All right, the drumsticks are coated with flour and seasoning. Now, they'll be taken to the frying area. This hot oil will make them crispy and tender. Great, just wait 10 more minutes for them to cool down. All right, spicy wings set is ready.
Let's dump in tons of chili and pepper for him.
What's taking so long?
I'm burning inside.
One chicken combo, please!
I'll switch ketchup for chili.
Huh?
What's that? What's going on?
Enjoy your food! It's too spicy!
That's scary.
5 minutes later.
He's in here. He's gone.
How to build the chicken conveyor fryer.
To start, I'll build the frame for the conveyor. Next, add the tread links. Now, I'll build the gearbox and attach it to the conveyor. Set up. First, I'll need a mixer machine. Then, I'll prepare the frying conveyor and an oil drain mesh where the food falls on. The oil. Testing. Now, let's test the fryer conveyor with these ducts. Perfect. All the ducts are fried well.
Back to the beloved haunted house.
Almost perfect. Just one more spider web up there.
Alex, the annual Halloween candy contest is back. And this year, I will win.
Last year, we made exploding cupcakes and blew up half the stage. Remember?
Only the boring half. Time for a little candy magic.
Incoming sugar jar at 12 o'clock. I should have applied for that quiet librarian job.
By sugar, spice, and pumpkin delight. Come to life tonight. Alex, keep stirring until it glows.
Easy does it. Nice and gentle. Please don't explode. Bubble, boil, candy coil, make it sweet.
It didn't explode this time, right?
Oh, yeah!
Excellent. Time for the final. The finest enchanted candy wraps in the realm. Woohoo! Wrap and twirl. Shimmer and spin. Fly to the pumpkin bin.
That's actually impressive.
Oh, yeah!
Aha! How is Halloween candy made?
In the first jar, add 50 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide, 50 milliliters of food coloring, and 50 milliliters of dish soap. Stir them up. In the second jar, add 5 grams of yeast and 20 milliliters of water. Stir them up. Build a piston air pump. Step 1. Build the piston. Add the engine. Step 2. Build the valve. Step 3. Connect the piston to the valve. Add the battery box. Testing. I'll mix them together. The pump will aerate these to jars, and the solution inside these jars will flow into this flask. Great, the flask is full of solution 1. Now, I'll add solution 2. The potion's starting to bubble.
Yeast causes hydrogen peroxide to decompose into water and oxygen, making the mixture foam.
Come on, Alex, hurry up. We've got candy to deliver and glory to gain.
Whoa, kids in costumes. Lights everywhere.
Trick or treat. Trick or treat. Happy Halloween.
Cheers.
Here you go. A special treat for a special night.
Wow, it's glowing. No. Oh no, my candy's flying away too. Wait, candy, don't fly away.
Stop, set it, land. Back into the hands of the children.
Careful, don't trip over each other. I don't think your magic is working, boss.
Well, some things are just meant to fly.
Guess we'll call it Magical Mess. Welcome to the site. Everyone get ready. Each of you will handle a section. Let's finish it together.
Time to dig the foundation.
All right, I'm with you. Oh, yeah!
How to build the excavator. Step 1. Build the arm assembly. Add the linear actuator. Add the bucket. This linear actuator will help the excavator arm move up and down. Step 2. Build the truck body. The motor. Add the tread sprocket wheels. Add the track links. Next, I'll build the cabin for the truck. Connect to the battery box. Step 3. Connect the arm to the body. Testing with Orbeez.
You're both doing great. Keep it up.
We'll be quick.
We're right on schedule. The foundation pit matches the blueprint. It's time to pour the foundation concrete. Bring the concrete truck into position. Let's start.
Starting to pump concrete into the pit now.
The concrete looks smooth and perfect. Great job. Now we can start building the walls.
All the bricks are ready.
Hold it tight. Get ready to lower the brick block.
Aha!
It's amazing. Next, we'll install the glass and finish the tower.
All of them are intact, not a single crack.
Great, move on to the west side next.
The final glass panel is in position, ready to secure.
Everything fits perfectly. We did it. This will be the new symbol of the city.
Hooray for the construction team.
Thank you all for your support.
Congratulations, Alex.
Thank you. This is the achievement of the whole team. Thank you, everyone. This is a victory for the whole city.
A small coastal town.
My fish baskets are full. Where's the fish cart?
Oh no, so pitiful.
Transporting fish like this is too risky.
Is there a safer way, Mr. Mayor?
I'll use the city's fund to build a Skitran.
How to build the train suspended railway. Number 1. Build the locomotive. Add the seat. Add the control levers. Add the roof. Number 2. Build the train cars. The train will need 2 cabins, locomotive, car for engine, car for battery. Number 3. Build the engine block. Hanging roller. The engine. Now I'll place motor and hanging roller into this first car. And add the battery box into this second car. These guide rollers will help the 3 cars roll smoothly on the rail. Testing. Now let's see how our Skitran goes down this steep slope and handles this tricky curve.
Let's see our brand new Skitran for transporting fish, powered by futuristic science. This train will deliver fish faster and absolutely safe.
So from now on, no more accidents.
I want to see it run, Mayor.
Alright, let's run our Skitran.
Wow, the Skitran just flew past the train with no problem.
Look, incredible.
Oh!
The fish delivering train has arrived.
Yeah, please load up this pile of fish for me.
All the fish are loaded. Next stop, ahead.
Oh!
Can you please carry all 5 crates of fish for me?
Oh no, the train is full. We need to add more cars. Next stop.
Whoa!
Next stop.
Now, there are no more accidents in our modern city.
Someone call an ambulance.